Hey there! Sick of grappling with buttons just to tweak the volume on your Xiaomi phone? Well, fret no more. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through effortlessly adjusting the volume on your Xiaomi device without laying a finger on any buttons. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, grab your trusty Xiaomi phone and fire up the settings. Then, simply scroll down until you spot additional settings and give it a tap. Next up, tap on Accessibility. After that, hit Accessibility menu. Now, toggle on the Accessibility menu shortcut. Then tap on Allow. And finally, hit OK. Now you'll see the Accessibility menu shortcut right here. Tap on it. Then tap on Volume and voila, the volume panel will pop up. Now all that is left is to adjust the volume to your heart's content. And that's all there is to it. You have mastered the art of tweaking volume on your Xiaomi phone, even if those volume buttons are on the fritz. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give that like button a good old smash. Craving more Xiaomi phone tips and tricks? Hit that subscribe button because we have got plenty more where that came from. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.